The NL Times report that Dutch coal plants have already produced more energy this year than in the entirety of 2024. And as South Africa exports our quality coal to other countries, they want us to reduce our reliance on coal down here in South Africa. And I want you to tell me in the comments if you think that this is a good idea in the short term, because many of our coal-fired power stations, in fact 3 of them, should have been decommissioned already, and Eskom is keeping them running to try and make sure that we don't face load shedding on an ongoing basis. And at the moment, Eskom is telling the public that they have excess electricity, and they are trying to court AI data center companies that want to come invest, build AI data centers in South Africa because they say they have excess electricity. But you see, the public needs to know that this is short-lived. That 3 6-pack power stations, in other words 18 units, should have been decommissioned by now and needs to be shut down by the 1st of April 2031. And that most of our coal fleet will be gone, 16,000 megawatts worth, by 2035. And we need to understand that the short reprieve we have now does not mean that load shedding might not take place in industry at the moment, just like it was masked from the public since 2002, when industry was being load shed without the public knowing anything about it, and it only catching up with us by 2006, when we had widespread brownouts and blackouts in the country. So tell me in the comments if you think it's fair that the Dutch expect us to take loans from them to reduce our dependency on coal when their coal-fired stations are burning more than ever. I'll give you a link to the article in the description below this video, as well as in the first comment. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Please consider becoming a member of this channel tonight at 8:30. I will be doing a meeting with the channel members, as I do every week, with the community members on this channel. So it's $59.99 to sign up as a community member, become a part of this community, where I will be discussing documents that unearth the hidden history and the hidden plans, not only for South Africa, but for the rest of the world. Thank you so much. Till then.